We have Crystal.
Lashes and brows.
Yes.
Passing the phone to Alicia, who does it all.
Hi, I'm Alicia. I'm passing the phone to Avery, who does amazing internship.
Hi, I'm Avery, and I'm passing the phone to someone who makes me laugh every day that I'm here.
Hi, I'm Tacey, and I'm passing the phone to the content queen of DSI.
Hello, I'm Maddie. I'm the Austin intern, and I'm passing the phone to somebody that's huge behind the scenes in Dallas.
Hey, I'm Alex. I'm passing the phone to the best instructor I know.
Hi, I'm Lily, and I'm passing the phone to the big boss.
Hi, I'm Patsy, and I'm passing the phone back to Mo.
Hi, I'm the sugar queen and the mustache. Cut.